At any time during development, though after the peer review process in particular, you can request revisions from the authors for their chapter. In eEditorial Discovery, you can request chapter revisions by first selecting View Chapter Submissions to display the full list of submissions. Once here, you will go to the chapter you are looking to get revisions for and choose Request Revision Materials in the Editorial Decision row of the listing. The following page will display a three-step process in requesting revisions. Step 1 is to make the peer reviews available to the authors. Step 2, you will provide the author with a deadline to submit their revised chapter. Finally, in Step 3, you will choose an automated email template to send the author depending on the type of revision you are requesting, including author changes, document changes, figure changes, or revisions to the chapter itself. You may edit this message, and once you are ready to send it to the authors, please select Send Notification Emails. Repeat this for any chapter you are requesting revisions for.